Hi everybody, shall we try this one again, shall we? Those of you who follow the channel may have noticed that one of my recent videos was on for a couple of days and then disappeared. That's because there was an ID 10T error occurred. For those of you who don't know what an ID 10T error is, if you write ID 10T 10T down, you will see it spells idiot. That's because after uploading it to YouTube, I suddenly found out, or YouTube notified me, that there was a copyright infringement on the music that I'd used at the end of the video, which I'm not sure how that happened because as far as I was aware, it was copy-free, free to use. But needless to say, to save any issues, I went into the YouTube video editor online and tried to remove the music at the end and replace it with some free music from the YouTube audio library. Unfortunately, whilst I clipped the little bit at the end and thought that's the bit that's going to edit it for the silence and then I could stick some more music in, when I pressed accept, it deleted the rest of the video and left that little clip. Which was obviously neither use nor ornament. So I thought everything had failed. Then, whilst I was away in Aberystwyth a couple of days ago, we only got back from Aberystwyth yesterday, came back due to bad weather. God, was it rough. I was looking on my tablet and realised that I'd actually put the video clips on my tablet so that I could edit them a little bit easier while I was sitting downstairs watching the TV. Because I thought I'd lost everything. So let's get back to take two. Now, we have a little bit of exciting news at the moment. Some of you out there may know of the SST, or the Southern Scale Trail. Now, this is a rather large event that happens at a place called Gurney Slade, which is, I believe it's just to the southwest of Bristol, where they take over an old quarry and they put crawler tracks and everything else around there, and bashers and buggy races, you name it. It's everything off-road RC-wise. As I say, crawlers. I actually did a video from there in 2021, which I'm going to leave a card. It should be up there about now. If you click on that, you will actually see the video from the SST. Take a look at that. You'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't click on that, I'll leave a link at the end of the video, probably about there somewhere. So click on that and have a look at that. The exciting news is UK RC Truck and Plant are going to the SST. They've decided, SST organisers have decided that they want to include construction, being in an old quarry and everything, they want to include construction and trucks in the event. So they very kindly asked UKRC Truck and Plant if we'd go down and take part in the event. What I'm also going to do is, so this is what the plan is for this video, right? This is what was in the other video as well. We also had a meet a week ago last Sunday. It was a bit of a small one because people were on holiday. UKRC Truck and Plant, we met up at Badsey. I could say it was a bit of a small one, but there was some very, very nice trucks there, and we had a tank extravaganza. So if you're into your RC tanks, take a look at this video because we have some absolutely stunning tanks. Also, I met a very nice chap called Joe, Mad Trucker Joe. Now, he's Mad Trucker Joe. He's actually got his own YouTube page, and he is, unfortunately, he's a friend of Andy, who's one of our groups. But even so, we decided we weren't going to hold that against him, and you know, we'd sort of, we're all inclusive at UKRC Truck and Plant. So even for special cases like friends of Andy, we still make exceptions and encourage them with open arms into the UKRC trucking family. Although there are some limits, Andy. I mean, I will say, you know, let's calm it down a little bit. So I met him. Check out his channel. I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video to his channel. Enjoy the video from last Sunday. As I said earlier on, I've just got back from Aberystwyth as well, where I took Captain America, the Axial SCX-10, the original SCX-10, my very, very first crawler, and incidentally the only crawler that I have left since I've been into the trucks, and the Rising Fighter. We took that down as well. Me and my grandson, my son and my wife went down there, and my grandson loves playing with the RC truck, so I took Captain America down and the Rising Fighter. We went to Innislas Beach, which is just in between Aberystwyth and Aberdyfi, and we took the Rising Fighter on the beach there, so there'll be a little bit of bonus footage of that at the end. And we were camped right on the banks of the River Rystwyth, the Afon Rystwyth. So there'll be a little bit of bonus footage of the SCX-10 Captain America truck at the end as well. But make sure that you stay till the end of the video. I will tell you a little bit more about the SST and how you can get involved if you're into crawling or if you're into the trucks and construction side of things. Because if you're down that area and you want to come and join us, please, 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 please feel free. And well, enjoy the video, and I will see you in a little while. And hopefully this time there'll be no copyright infringement and this video can stay up. We can but hope. All right, guys, see you in a minute.
What charge are you after? I brought a charger with me. It's got 3 things. I've just moved it back.
That'll do. showing off.
Yeah. It's just got that little spring on there to help it.
The door gonna release before you flip.
It should have done.
You want to be loaded?
Yes, please.
Win a bit. Stream a little bit this way.
Hi guys, well, let's try that again, shall we? Right. Hi guys, welcome back. And I hope you enjoyed that, especially the little bits at the end with the Captain America truck and the Rising Fighter, Tamiya Rising Fighter. Now, a little bit more about how you can become involved in the SST, or Southern Scale Trail 2024. It's a brilliant event. A lot of money over the years has been raised for charity, and this year the two charities are Southwest Blood Bikes, which I believe deliver much needed blood from blood banks to theatres and between hospitals and that sort of thing, road accidents and such like. The names in the clues in the name. And Orchid, fighting male cancer. So obviously I think you can agree that they're both very, very good charities for both of them, and a lot of money has been raised. Now it takes part on the 7th. It takes part on the 7th and 8th of September. If you want to attend, it's £20 per day for adults, £10 per day for children. There is on-site camping Saturday night and Friday night, and that is £10 for adults to camp and £5 for children to camp. Now I'm going to run through a couple of the things that are actually there. Again, there are charity raffle, trade stands, food courts, main crawler area, Southern Armoured Group, that should be interesting, on-site facilities, Friday and Saturday night run, construction zone, buggy racing and basher area. So there is a bit of something for everyone. I think the only people that aren't catered for is boats and planes. So, but I'm sure given a bit of time, they'll find a way to wheedle that one in somewhere. So make sure that if you want to get booked and join us down at Southern Scale Trail, as I said, so that you can see roughly what to expect. I'm going to leave the link at the end of this video if you didn't click on the button at the top earlier on. Also, don't forget to check out Mad Joe Trucker. Absolutely lovely guy, really getting into the hobby, seemed to really enjoy himself. And well, that's it. It's 7th and 8th of September, which is 2 weeks' time. And I will see you about a week afterwards with my next upload, which should be a bit of a belter. So if you haven't, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons so that you enjoy the videos and show me that you enjoy the videos, and also so that I know that you're enjoying the content and you don't miss out on any future videos. In the meantime, guys, from a very knackered RC Steve B, after just getting back from camping in Wales, enjoy yourselves. I hope the weather is kind to you and these storms don't batter you too much, and I will see you in a fortnight. In the meantime, happy RCing, guys. See you later. Bye bye.